Hey everyone, welcome back to Thridify. You asked for a simpler way to style hotspots. With Thridify, you can now define your hotspot colors, sizes, and design once in your profile. Those brand-aligned settings will automatically apply to every new hotspot you add. If you ever want to customize a specific hotspot differently, you still have full control. Let's dive in and see how it works. Alright, so now we're in the Admin Panel. From the options on the left, click on Profile. Here, under the Theme section, you'll find an option called Personalize Hotspot. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can fully customize how your hotspot looks. From the title, text color, background, icon, and more. And the best part? You'll see a live preview on the right side as you make each change. Let's start with the title size. You can adjust it to your preferred scale. For example, here I'm setting it to 16, and as you can see, the preview updates instantly on the right. Next, let's select the text color. You can pick any color you like. I'm going with a solid black for now. Now we'll move on to the background color. This adds a background behind your hotspot title and description. I'm keeping it transparent for a clean look. Next up is the pin color. This is the color of the pin or marker that appears on your product. You can choose any shade you like. I'm keeping it transparent as well. Now let's pick an icon. You can choose from the available options or upload your own custom icon. I'm selecting a star icon here, but feel free to use any that fits your brand or style. Once you've picked your icon, you can adjust its size. I'm setting mine to 16, but you can increase or decrease it based on how prominent you want it to appear. Lastly, choose your icon color. Again, I'm going with black for a simple and clean look. Once you're happy with your changes, click on Save, and that's it. Your personalized hotspot is now saved and ready to enhance your 3D product experience. Go ahead and explore different combinations to create a look that truly matches your brand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Thridify for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.